Greetings, fellow Toastmasters. My name is Damion Smith, and I proudly serve in District 46. I am a member of Bronx Toastmasters Club, located in the Riverdale section of the Bronx. As treasurers, one of our core responsibilities is managing membership dues and helping our clubs maintain strong meeting quality. As we all know, due season is when our inboxes suddenly become very popular. One challenge many treasurers face is processing dues for every member, especially when they're not sure how to renew online. At times, the Toastmasters website can be a bit challenging to navigate. But here's the twist. Members can pay their own dues, but only if we enable the self-pay feature. If this setting is off, they won't see the option to pay, and that's when the messages start rolling in. I can't find the button. Can you renew for me? So today, I'm going to show you how to enable the self-pay feature. Once this feature is turned on, members can renew independently, which saves us time, reduces stress, and lets us focus on parts of the Toastmasters we really enjoy, such as speaking in front of large groups of strangers. Follow along as I demonstrate the necessary steps to enable the self-pay feature. First, open up the Toastmasters International website and log in. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with this welcome page. Scroll down to the leadership section of the page. Leadership Central. Then click on Club Central. Just below that, click on Membership Management. On the next page, you'll see this notification bell with a message saying, to enable self-pay for your members, go to the club contact and meeting information page. To the right of that, click on the link that says self-pay settings. Here, if you scroll down a little bit, all you have to do is click on this toggle switch from self-pay disabled to self-pay enabled. Scroll to the bottom of the page and save your changes. On the next page, you'll receive a confirmation message saying your club meeting information has been successfully updated. And that's it. Once you flip that switch, it's like opening up the floodgates. Members can now renew on their own, and suddenly you're not the bottleneck. You're the hero who made the bottleneck disappear. If you found this video tutorial helpful or know somebody who would, please give us a thumbs up and share. If you want to do an evaluation of this tutorial, then leave some feedback in the comment section below. And if you want to see more content like this, don't hesitate to subscribe to District 46 Toastmasters.